Jesus is my love. Jesus is my adoration. Jesus is my worship. Jesus is my sweetheart. Jesus is my eyesight. Jesus is the crown of glory over my head. Jesus is my strength. Jesus is my shelter, refuge. Jesus is the way, the truth, and the life. Jesus is the Alpha and the Omega. Jesus is the first and the last. Jesus is the beginning and the end. Jesus is the good shepherd, and there is no one good but him, for God is good, and Jesus is the life and the resurrection. Jesus is my home, my love, my dad, my mom, my brother, my sister, my kingdom, my everything. With him I need nothing. In him I have everything. Jesus Christ of Nazareth, my Lord, my God, my crown of glory.